Got this 2020 Jeep Cherokee in the starter replacement. Your first order of business is, of course, going to be disconnect your battery negative side, sit it off to the side. You don't really need to touch the positive. Second, you want to get yourself a tool like this, a little pry tool, or you can use a flathead screwdriver or a needle nose, whatever you got handy. And you want to pop these hoses out of the clip right there, and then you want to pop that wire loom. That wire loom right there. You want to pop that wire loom out of its clip also.
Let us shit. Make sure you do the shit right.
Alright, so at this point now you got these hoses and wire looms pulled out. If you look right there, you can kind of see the two top bolts to the starter. One being right there, and then the other being right there. You still got to go down on the bottom and get the third one out. But your next step is going to be get you an 8mm, 1/4 inch, or 3/8, and take them two bolts out of this little bracket right here. Give yourself a little bit more space. You'll thank me later. Alright, so once you pull them two 8mm out of that bracket that's holding the wire loom and that heater hose, at this point you can reach straight on down there and pull out that 16mm bolt right there and that 16mm bolt right there. Those are your two top bolts to your starter. 1 and 2. Those bolts are going to be very, very, very tight, and I'm guessing because they're bell housing bolts and starter bolts at the same time. But yeah, those bolts are very tight, so you're going to need a breaker bar or something because you can't fit your power tool down in there. So you're going to have to get strong and get that one up out of there. But it's two longer bolts, 16mm for your two top bolts. You get those out at this point, you can jack your car up, jack your truck up, and remove your shield from under the bottom. It's a shield down there. Can't really pick it up too good on camera, but it's a shield down there. But jack your car up, get you some jack stands, maybe some wheel chocks, remove your shield off the bottom to access that bottom bolt down there. Once you finish up top, you're going to come down bottom, remove your splash shield. You got 8 or 9 10mm bolts holding that up. Your starter is located on the back side of your engine, so you're gonna come on the bottom side. You got that 14mm bolt right there at that bottom hole. You got a 13mm nut holding the battery positive cable on, and then you got your electrical connector. I tucked it up there somewhere already because I needed it out the way. You do not have to remove this bracket, bracket that holds this axle to the block. You do not have to remove that. I took it out in my axle. I took that out in my fight to find the perfect angle to get the starter actually out of the engine compartment. So I didn't really need to remove that because, as you can see, the axle, it's not moving really. So now once you make it to this point, you got your starter off the truck. You got your new starter ready to go up. Just want to do a side-by-side comparison, make sure they both the same, check their electrical connector, make sure they both the same. This one broke off for this starter, and this was the problem with the starter. That lead broke off for the starter. So we're going to go up with this one and get the customer back on the road. That, my friends, is how you replace a starter on the 2020 Jeep Cherokee 2.4 liter multi-air. We done here.